to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D2 chapter number 4 exercise 4b, that is for expansions by using special algebraic identities. In this lesson I will solve basic level question number 1 that says expand each of the following expressions. The identities applied in the lesson are a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's move to the question. First part of the question is a plus 4 whole square. Compare this question with the identities, as the question has two terms, but in between we have the positive sign, so it will be the application of a plus b whole square. According to the question and the rule, a of the question is a and b is 4. So what I have to do is I have to write it in form of the identity, that it will become a whole square plus 2 into a, and first I have to write the last term, that is b square, that is 4 square, and into 4. A of the question is a and b is 4. A of the question is a and b is 4. Now what I have to do is I have to write it a square plus 2 times 4 is 8 a, and plus 4 square is 16. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 3b plus 2 whole square. Compare it with the identity. A of the question is 3b and b is 2. So write the values in the identity or formula. According to the rule, I will write a square, that is 3b whole square, plus b square, that is 2 whole square, and at the middle place I have to write 2. A will be from the first bracket, that is 3b, and b will be from the second bracket, that is 2. I have to take a of the question is 3b and b is 2. B is 2. Now what I have to do, I have to take the square. This is 3 whole square will be 9, b square. 2 times 3 is 6, multiplied by 2 is 12b. 12b plus 4. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. C plus 4d whole square. So A of the question is c and b is 4d. So I have to express it in form of the identity c square, and instead of b square I will write 4d whole square and plus 2, and then I have to write a of the question is c, and b of the question is 4d. So here you should have good command on the squares and tables. 4d. Now what I have to do in the next step, that I will write, this is c square, 4 to the 8, cd plus 16 and d square. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 9h plus 2k whole square. Again compare it with the identity and it will become a whole square, that is 9h whole square, plus b square, that is 2k whole square, and coming to the middle part, 2 plus 2, a from the first bracket, that is 9h dot b from the second, that is 2k, multiplied by 2k. Now take the squares and multiply the numbers at the middle place. The square of 9 is 81, 8 square, 9 to the 18 to the 36, 36 hk, 2 square will be 4, 4k square. So if you have good command on tables and squares, you can do these questions easily. Just put the values in the formula or identity and get the answer quickly. The next question is expand the following. The first part is m square, m minus 9 whole square. So this is the application of the second identity, that a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2b plus b square. So write it in form of formula, that a of the question is m plus 9 square minus 2, a is m and b is n. So what I will be doing, m square minus 9 times 2 is 18m and plus 9 square is 81. I hope you have understood the question. You are understanding and following me. Moving to the next question, 5n minus 4 whole square. Again, a of the question is 5n and b is 4. So what I have to do is I have to express it in form of the identity. This will become a whole square plus 4 square minus 2, a from the first bracket, that is 5n, and b from the second bracket, that is 4. Be careful. Place a from the first bracket and b from the second bracket. Now what we have to do now, square of 5, I have to take the square of every term inside the bracket, that is 25 n square. 5 2s are 10, 4s are 40, 40n and plus 16. Again I say that we should have the good command on the tables for better understanding of these questions. Moving to the next part, 9 minus 5p whole square. Quickly I will be writing a whole square, that is 9 square plus 5p whole square, and then minus 2, a from the first bracket, that is 9, and b from the second bracket, that is 5p. And then what I have to do, square of 9 is 81, 9 5s are 45, 2s are 90, minus 90p, and then I have to take the square of 5, this is 25p square. I hope you have understood this question. Let's move to the next question. The next question is 3q minus 8r whole square. Apply the identity. It will become a whole square, that is 3q, and plus b, that is 8r whole square, and at middle place I have to write 2, a is 3q and b is 8r. So it will become 9q square. 8 3s are 24, 2s are 48, or 2 3s are 6 multiplied by 8, 48 minus 48 qr plus 64 r square. I hope you have understood this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time, and write your comments in comment section. I hope after this lesson the application of these identities will no more be a problem for you. Basic algebraic identities, so easy, so simple. Thank you very much.